Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Sunday. So today I am sharing another Sunday morning with you guys. I'm just making breakfast. Excuse my voice, you guys. I am yet again sick. I have a sinus infection. Told you guys I have been getting sick like every week, it seems like. But anyways, I again am just making breakfast this Sunday morning, and of course I'm going to be cleaning up as I cook. This morning I'm going to be making French toast, eggs, bacon, and sausage. That will be for them, and then for myself I'm going to make, of course, vegan French toast. I'm going to have some fruit, and I'm making vegan sausage. If you're enjoying this Sunday morning with me, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. Anyone else have a refrigerator where if you push anything to the back of it, stuff will freeze? That is the refrigerator I have. This is, of course, provided by the company that we rent from, and I absolutely hate it. I have been thinking about getting a new refrigerator. Of course, I'm going to have to just give them theirs, and they told me like, hey, we're not responsible once you get your own, which is okay because they don't fix this one. I've been here living in this same townhouse for 12 years now, and I have told them numerous of times about things around the house that need to be fixed, and of course they have not been fixed, but I digress. So the bread that you see in the aluminum foil, I made the night before. I wish I would have made it days prior, because you know, a couple of day old bread is better than fresh bread, but it was still good. Now I'm just making my French toast. Of course, the bread that I made myself, the homemade bread, is plant-based. So I am adding brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla into mine. When I made their French toast, theirs had eggs, milk, cinnamon, brown sugar, and white granulated sugar. I'm just gonna go ahead and scramble their eggs. I made my husband's first. He likes cheese in his, and I did not put cheese in my daughter's. And my son was gone this morning, so I didn't make any eggs for him. And of course, I didn't make any eggs for myself. So here is breakfast: kielbasa, French toast, bacon, and then of course I have fruit, vegan sausage, and vegan French toast. Hope you guys enjoyed it.